Hey guys, it's George from Gaggia UK. Now today we're going to be taking a look at how to set up your Brera coffee machine. But before we get into the setup, let's take a quick look around the machine. So at the bottom we have the drip tray. On the front you have the water tank and also the dreg drawer. On the front we have the panorello frother. On the side of the machine we have the service door, which reveals the removable brewing unit. And on the top you have the bean hopper with the pre-ground coffee chute. So now let's get into the setup. The first thing you want to do is fill the water tank and the bean hopper. Next, you want to connect the power cable and then switch on the machine using the on-off switch at the back of the machine. Then press the standby button on the front. Now the machine needs priming, so what you want to do is put a container under the steam pipe and then turn the dial on the front to the right and then back to the central position. Once the priming is completed, these lights on the front will appear and your machine is ready to use. If you would like to find out more information about your Brera coffee machine, or if you'd like to chat to one of our team via Zoom, then head to our website, gaggiadirect.com.